It's been a while since we moved into the new shop, and we haven't given you an update on how it's looking. So here it is.
Let's go upstairs. First, let's see what's going on in here. So this is our reception. When you walk in, you see Craig. All right, so there's Craig. And we've got our waiting area over here. So this is our little waiting area in here. Got TV, aircon, some nice sofas, a little Tank 300 if you want to go for a spin around. And then we'll head upstairs. So Craig will be moving up here, so we're getting a new desk, got the big Savage logo as you walk up, and then we'll come upstairs. So we've got wheels on the wall on display, lithium batteries, some slimline lithium batteries, air filters. We're just getting this finished set up now. So that's one of our hard lids on the wall over there. This is our drawer setup over here. So we'll be doing this for the BYD as well, but we got this for the Tank 300, the Tank 500, and the Canon. Okay, so they full lock out. All right, push that away. You've got the fridge light over here. Okay, also locks out. Now the difference with this and a lot of other ones on the market is these are designed vehicle specific, so they've already been cut and molded. All the brackets that come with it are designed, this is for a Tank 500, are designed to mount in the vehicle. So they fit perfectly and snug. They also are made from a gal internal, so you can see that it's full galvanized, so you don't have any problems with it getting waterlogged or the drawers falling apart. Anyway, so we'll keep going around. So in here we're gonna have some displays, some racks on here. So our bull bars are all gonna be through the middle here, so we're gonna put our bull bars through here. On the wall we've got some intercoolers. We'll bring the turbochargers because we do turbocharger upgrades for the Canon and for the Tank 300, and we're working on the Canon currently for a turbo upgrade. This is the dash camera we're going to be putting in that BYD today, so get that in. And this is also a transmission cooler for the Tank 300, upgraded over the one that's behind it. That was the one out of my car, okay. Got some cool little displays. There's our brake controllers, which I'm sure everyone's seen. When you come upstairs, you'll also see the boys up here. This is where the sales area is, so we'll have 3 sales team. We've got Nick, we've got Steve-O, and I'm currently sitting in the middle there. And yeah, so this is the showroom. We'll be getting it set up with more of our stock in here. This is a new stainless steel Snorkel as well. So let's have a look at this. So we got our new stainless steel Snorkel, all Savage, look at that. Woo! So that's for the GWM Canon. I'm going to be making that for the BYD. Now with the BYD, I've been having thoughts about it. So because it's such a nice quiet car, I don't really want to make too much noise. So we're going to have a silencer on it so that it's going to be quiet. So it'll still have the sick, cool look, but it'll have a silencer on it. So we're going to make that for the Tank 500, the Canon Alpha, and we're still working on Tank 300 development. So yeah. So this is our nitrogen suspension over here as well. Upper control arms. We'll have to see what we're gonna do with the BYD. Start playing around with the suspension on that. But currently, we are waiting for China to open back up because they're Chinese New Year. So as soon as they open back up, we'll be able to start speaking with them and designing some suspension. We've already pulled it out or measured it. So once we do all that, we'll speak with China, see what we can organize.
You can visit us at 1/9 Babdoyle Street, Loganholme, Queensland, or shop online at savagetech.com.au. Hope you liked it. Have a good one. Peace out.